This video is on solutions, suspensions, and colloids. So some vocabulary before we get into what they are. A pure substance is a substance that only contains one type of particle and cannot be broken down. So for example, sugar is a pure substance. Also, anything found on the periodic table would be a pure substance. Pure substances are different from mixtures. A mixture contains at least two pure substances together. Mixtures can include solutions. A solution is a homogeneous mixture where particles dissolve and are too tiny to see. If it's homogeneous, that means that it looks uniform. A solution is made up of a solute and a solvent. So if I were to look at salt water has salt and water, and my salt dissolves in the water. The thing that's dissolved is the solute. The thing that does the dissolving is the solvent. So in this case, water is my solvent, salt is my solute. More often than not, the liquid is the solvent, although not always true, but more times it is. A colloid is small particles that stay suspended, usually in a liquid. So an example of a colloid could be milk or fog. Colloids all exhibit the Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is if I were to have a beam of light pass through my colloid, the light would scatter in all different directions, kind of like a disco light. So the little particles that are suspended in the colloid scatter the light. A suspension is where tiny particles are mixed in a liquid, and those particles will settle to the bottom. So if you were to have dirty water, the dirt in the water would eventually settle to the bottom and wouldn't dissolve or wouldn't stay suspended. So that is a suspension.